JustMusic at the Musikmesse 2016 in Frankfurt. Here I'm at the booth of Pioneer with my man.
My name's Rick.
Yeah.
My name's Rick.
My name is Malte. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I see you have a new device here which looks unlike any other Pioneer device I've seen so far.
Good.
Because it looks like it makes its own sound. It looks like a synthesizer drum machine.
Yeah, it's a standalone sampler. So we entered into the production market about a year ago with our reference monitor speakers, but sure, they're kind of B2B products and, you know, anybody can make a speaker, right? But we're very serious about production and production products, and this is our first bridge product into being more serious and more professional about producing hardware for producers. So this is the Toraiz SP-16. Toraiz is our new brand name for this category of products, and SP-16 stands for Sample Player 16-Step Sequencer. So it's aimed for 3 different types of usage. One is a DJ, so you can trigger your sounds and link it into the CDJ network, and everything will be perfectly in time because it's looking at beat, bar, and phrase information, and not just MIDI clock information. Also have a producer, so you can load samples in and play back sounds and create sequences and patterns and record them into your DAW. Or we have the standalone function where you can use the internal memory, play back your samples on stage or with a band or any type of live outfit. So they're kind of the 3 target customers for the products.
Yeah, it's really interesting because I know that one of the main manufacturers of sample-based drum machines left the market not too long ago. Not exactly a move that I welcomed so much because I thought the MPC series was quite a good idea, you know. So since everything went so controller heavy lately, I think it's a very smart move to make something more standalone. That was my first impression.
Our strategy at Pioneer has always been to keep the laptop out of the DJ booth. And our strategy with CDJs is USB keys and SD devices. Manage all of your music at home in Rekordbox, export onto a USB device, and play back on the CDJ. Yes, we do make DJ software for our controllers, but our controllers are pitched for more bedroom DJs or mobile DJs. Our strategy's always been very clear in the DJ booth. So with that strategy in mind, a standalone sampler unit would make sense. No laptop needed. You know, let the DJ equipment do the processing. You know, and just play some records and forget about the laptop.
And when you export the files to go to your DAW from there, you obviously cannot just export one single bounce file, but individual streams?
So at the moment, in order to get your sounds from the unit, you'll take an analog output out of the back of the unit. But we are working on a VST that we'll hopefully introduce before the end of the year. So some kind of computer interface. So you've got, you know, you can groove, you can tweak it in your sync. Yeah.
So there's going to be some kind of VST plugin integration thing.
That's what we're working on, and hopefully we'll release it before the end of the year, yeah.
That's excellent news. And so, very exciting device, I think.
I'll talk you around a bit of the product and a bit of the specification. Yeah. So this is our Dave Smith filter here, so we're very honoured to be working with such a legend. And we've inherited Dave Smith's 4-pole high-pass filter from his legendary Prophet 6 synthesizer. So Pioneer have always had digital filters inside their products, but it's a great opportunity for us to inherit analog filters that we know sound amazing. So 16 Rgb pads, it's like having 16 CDJs play all at once. It's polyphonic. You load your sounds into here, and you can edit the sound, you can change the ADSR, start to add texture to the sound by shaping it in the stereo field, give the sound a color, so all of your snares could be purple, and then start to sequence them up and start to trigger them back. These are multi-purpose parameter pots, so depending on what type of sound you're on, you can edit the sounds. A velocity-sensitive pad for things like changing the pitch or repeating notes, for example. And yeah, ins and outs. We got a 1/4-inch input, so you can sample on the fly. 4 1/4-inch outputs, recording into your sound card. MIDI in and out to send in BPM information, and then our Pro DJ Link protocol for linking into our CDJs to get that seamless sync across all of your CDJs with your samples.
Can you use the inputs also to use the Dave Smith filter like separately, like just like run it through?
Yes.
Yeah, by the way, I don't know if you mentioned it, you know, but this is a touch display, you know, like, and it reacts very fast, you know, which is not always the case.
Absolutely, yeah. So we've inherited the same size screen from our XDJ 1000, our XDJ 700. So, but the resolution is much higher than on our CDJs.
Did you develop the pads yourself? I know that some manufacturer that just like buy it from another company.
Yeah, so these pads are inherited from our DDJ SZ range, which we've had really good feedback from on the SZ. So yeah, nice touch sensitive, velocity sensitive, RGB, nice and chunky pads for performance.
Very good. Are you planning like to expand the line to make like a smaller one or a bigger one? Which?
So this is Toraiz. This is our new range of products now, and this is in the first and this is in the last. So expect a lot more from the Toraiz range as we develop the brand and the business in a production market.
Excellent. So, what's the price point, roughly?
Availability is early summer, and the price is €1,600.
Which seems absolutely fair to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right.